We all know what it's like when you supply or install natural stone around a swimming pool and 6 months to a year later it looks nothing like it did when it was first laid. It is crumbling, discolored and just looks terrible. Now you are faced with having to replace the stone, and who knows if the same thing will happen again. Well, here is how you can prevent this from happening. When using natural stone around swimming pools, there are a couple of key points that you need to consider. The type of natural stone being used and the bedding that the stone is being laid on. Natural stone can be a sensitive substrate. It is likely that if the stone is left unprotected, it will easily stain and lose its structural integrity. An object as simple as a leaf can leave a dark stain on natural stone, stains that can be extremely difficult to remove. Natural stone can also be structurally damaged by salt water. As natural stone is very porous, the salt water is absorbed into the stone. When evaporated, the crystals left behind expand and break down the stone from the inside out. This attack is especially prevalent in calcite stones like limestone and sandstone. However, there is a way you can still get the benefit of beautiful natural stone without being restricted by these characteristics. The easiest way is to apply a consolidating sealer to the stone. This sealer will strengthen the stone's structure and prevent it from staining, all while allowing the stone to breathe and age naturally. If you have any questions regarding stone or tiles, please feel free to contact us. We would love to assist you further. Thank you.